Hey chord coders, today we're recoding E minor. So this is the structure for E diminished chord, minor third, flat fifth, and really all we're doing is we're taking E minor and we're moving the fifth string note back one. We're moving the B in E minor back to B flat. And we're not playing the second string at all because with sixth string diminished chords, there's really no way to get another triad note in there because they're so far down the neck. So you would either not play the second string or just leave the first and second strings out completely. For this one, it's okay because it is E. But it's going to be E, G, and B flat. Then we're going to move down the neck even further. We're going to bar the first fret, still keeping that same E minor formation, but you're just moving the fifth string note back 1/2 step. And that is F diminished. It's F, G sharp, and B. And then F sharp diminished is F sharp, A, and C. G diminished is G, B flat, and C sharp. And then G sharp diminished is G sharp, B, and D. So really all we're doing is taking, say, G sharp or G minor, and we're moving just that one note from D to C sharp on the fifth string. And we're not playing the second string at all because there's not really a way to do it. And you don't really even have to play the first string either. You could just, you know. And that is how you make a diminished chord off the sixth string. So until next time, keep rocking.